And welcome to another unboxing and review. This is an electric foot massager. So this is like basically the whole leg massager air compressor boots. And these are cordless, so that's sweet. Let's get this out of the box here, shall we? Okay. All right. So here we have a little charger. It's like this is the carry bag. That's really cool. That is super heavy duty and nice. Wow. I'm liking that. Check that out, guys. It's a sweet bag, actually. Here's our cords for this. So whether you're doing the one leg or two, you have a little splitter. And that's pretty sweet. So yeah, you can just do one leg. If you want both, just, hey cat, be quiet. Okay. And there's that. These are good size. Oh, wow. These are, yeah, this is for your whole leg here, guys. Check that out. And this is burly. Wow. Well, I guess it does have the batteries in there, so this is pretty good size there. Check that out. That is a, what do we got here? We got pressure, select, the battery mode. Let's just turn this thing on and see. Let's see, do I know how to turn it on is the thing. Oh, it's got a little power mode right there. That's where you turn it on. Oh, check out that. That is really cool, if we can see that. That's really detailed. Full battery power already. It's got 6 airbags, like starting 1 at the foot and ending up number 6 at the thigh. Modes, minutes, nice easy press buttons here. Mode 3, 4. Pressure, you can adjust with that. Upper, lower, select, and then go. So a ton of different things on here that we can check out. There's a lot here. You can switch a timer, pressure, up or down on time, pressure, and select and confirm. So pretty sweet there for sure, guys. I'm pretty excited to check this thing out. Yeah, so let's just plug this in. I'm gonna actually just be using both legs right now. And my cat is very curious. Okay, so this just plugs in. I think there's only one way you can go in there. It's got an arrow in the top, so just plug that in where the arrow is. And that latches in. When you want to take it out, you press those, and that's gonna come out of there. All right, that splits off into both legs. And then we can just attach these as well. What is a bug? All right, so just where the arrows are, put those in. And then where the arrows line up. I'll take this out to the couch and sit down and get a nice massage. And how's that sound? Okay, sitting on my couch, got my legs up. This thing's really easy to slip on. Pretty much just pulled my leg up, or my leg through and just pulled this up, and leg went right in there. Also has a zipper too if you want to be able to zip it up. But this is, I want to check out a little bit closer look on the whole display here. Here we have the battery indicator, full battery life here, and then the modes, has modes 1 through 6, and we can just press that and it'll tell us which ones are. Then you can press either pause or play to either pause your massage or continue it. Up at the top we have where you can select the zones, so you can either pretty much cancel out a zone. If you don't like, maybe your knee is hurting a little more and you don't want to massage there, you can just erase that zone by selecting it and then confirming that at the bottom. Pressure can be up or down. So the pressure on the right hand side says pressure that one, press it up to go higher, and then green to go lower. And then also we have the time on the right and left lower sides. Time can be added or taken away 5 minutes at a time for each press. So the modes are pretty cool. They have, one does like all the zones at once. Some do like the first two, then the second two, and the last two in a descending order or ascending order based on where you're sitting, I guess. But very convenient. This thing's super easy to work with. It gives you a nice little beep to feedback to know that it's working. And you can increase the pressure on all the zones like simultaneously. This even gets really strong. It has a little red warning though. If it's pressing too hard, you got to be careful with that. But this thing is just really user-friendly, easy to work with. I'm super impressed with it. Just a caution there, so you don't want it too high pressure. But then it just starts doing its massage thing, and it's actually super nice. Has some decent pressure like all the way around, and it's just really relaxing actually. So I went running the other day. I wish I would have had these when I did that, but I didn't have this yet. Super comfortable, and just yeah, just kind of works its way down. So it's like kind of just a pressure like all the way around your leg, not just on one side. Like some massagers just do like one side or the other. This is basically pressure all the way around the entire leg. But all in all, I really like this, guys. It's a really nice massage. I like how it's fully customizable. Okay, well, this is, yeah, like I said, it's super comfortable and relaxing, my friends. And you can just take it with you. So I can do this in the car. It just has a lot of nice features for sure. And you can also plug it in here if you want, when you want to recharge it, or if you want to plug it in while you're using it. So, all right, friends. So final thoughts on this leg massager. Yeah, it all fits in this bag. It's super convenient. I really like this. I like how everything is customizable as far as the pressure and the zones and everything like that. So probably the best leg massager I've ever used. And yeah, I just really like that, the convenience of having it. You don't have to plug it into the wall. You can take it wherever you want to. Folds up, goes in this nice little bag here. You can see the motor, the wires, everything just fits in there perfectly. So it's very convenient, easy to take with you. This bag is super burly, well built. This thing seems really sturdy, and yeah, just love the massage that it gives. So thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. I hope it is helpful. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.